facilitated in exports marine. The volunteers have conducted 4 rounds of household survey, and we followed the norm of trace, test and treat is still going on. My government firmly believes that we have to live with Corona in the coming days and have opened up economy, keeping the safety rooms as the wheels of economy have to roll on. All these measures have helped Andhra Pradesh achieve a low mortality rate, a low positivity rate, and a much higher recovery rate than most of the states. Legislations. My government has legislated path-breaking laws which will usher in social, economic and political justice in the strictest sense. We have brought in a law setting up backward commission on a permanent basis and have provided 50% reservation to SC, ST, BC and minorities in a nominated post and nominated works and in all temple governing councils coming under the endowment department. Providing 75% reservation to locals is another landmark legislation made by my government and introduced skill development to churn our skill workforce. The important legislation my government has brought in introducing English medium from primary level as children from weaker sections study in government schools and will be at a disadvantage when they pass out of the school. This is to increase the enrollment ratio and to make them globally competitive. Though there are some hurdles, they will be cleared soon as 97% of the parents are wishing that their wards study in English medium. My government has also brought in legislation to regulate the private school and colleges which are not up to the set guidelines and standards. A judicial review commission has been formed throughout a legislation wherein all tenders above 100 crores will undergo scrutiny by a retired High Court judge and will be finalized by the Commission. Through reverse tendering, nearly 2,100 crores was saved, which shows the sincerity of the government. The Land Titling Act will put a check on irregularities in land registration and put an end to land disputes. Disha Bill is historic legislation as it provides for a speedy trial and conviction within 21 working days, which deals with crime against women. To deal with atrocities against women and children, 18 Disha police stations have been set up. Dedicated special courts are being set up. We have amended the State Prohibition and Excise Act, giving in more teeth to implement reduce consumption of liquor. We would close down 43,000 belt shops and shut down 4,300 permit rooms and reduced the timing of sale while increasing the price to reduce the consumption of alcohol. Due to above efforts, results are visible with reduction in consumption of alcohol. We have merged the APSRTC with the government through a law taking in 51,400 employees into newly created Public Transport Department. Decentralization of administration has been the key principle based on which the legislation is in process to have a three capitals concept. Under this concept, Amaravati will be the legislative capital, while Visakhapatnam will be the executive capital, and Kurnool will be the judicial capital. While concluding, my government hopes that better days will come and the life goes on smoothly. To sum up, my government has done exceptionally well in social justice and bringing welfare schemes to the intended sections. Brought in sweeping reforms in administration, improved the healthcare system manifold, instilled confidence among the farmers, has taken measures to revamp school and hospitals. All sections are touched through the welfare and developmental schemes, and I hope this year will be still better. Joy.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।